Hi everyone. I am Espin Sarah. I will be your host for this presentation. It is my pleasure to be at your service. The topic of this webinar is Red Hat Satellite Product Overview. This webinar aims to give you understanding on Red Hat Satellite on the following aspects. What is Red Hat Satellite? The key features and benefits of Red Hat Satellite and the architecture of Red Hat Satellite. The webinar will end with a Q&A session. Without further ado, let's get started. What is Red Hat Satellite? Red Hat Satellite is a comprehensive system management solution that simplifies the deployment, scalability, and management of Red Hat infrastructure across physical, virtual, and cloud environments. It is a management tool that empowers users to efficiently provision, configure, and update systems while ensuring optimal performance, security, and compliance with diverse standards. The features of Red Hat Satellite covers various approaches to provide benefits to its users, which include 1. Content management. Red Hat Satellite promotes systematic application of content, patches, to deployed systems, in all infrastructures. Red Hat Satellite gives greater system consistency and availability, making IT to respond more rapidly to business needs and vulnerabilities through content views, collections of RPMs, Puppet modules, container content, or OS tree content that have been curated with filters and rules. These content views are published and promoted across lifecycle environments to enable end-to-end system management. Red Hat Content Delivery Network (CDN) integration allows users to control synchronization of Red Hat content directly from the user interface. Federated Lifecycle Management utilizes Red Hat Capsule server to enable distribution and federation of provisioning, configuration, and content delivery. Streamlined content synchronization enables users to build systems almost abruptly after installation. At the same time, content downloads in the background. 2. Patching ability to define and manage as OE. Red Hat Satellite keeps a standard operating environment, as OE, through updates on security patches, updates, and enhancements. Automated patch. Red Hat Satellite rapidly enhances system security by patching multiple systems simultaneously. Deployment and tracking of Red Hat software and third-party software. All Red Hat infrastructure, along with third-party software, is deployed by retrieving these software bits through Red Hat Satellite. Once Satellite acquires this content, it keeps track of it, improving security and ensuring better tracking of what is deployed on each system. 3. Provisioning. Provisioning on bare metal. Red Hat Satellite lets users to rapidly provision and update their entire bare metal infrastructure. Provisioning on Red Hat Virtualization, Red Hat OpenStack Platform, VMware, or multiple cloud providers. Red Hat Satellite enables easy creation and management instances across virtualized infrastructure or private and public cloud environments. Provisioning using templates. Red Hat Satellite helps develop complex kickstart and pre-boot execution environment (PXE) scenarios with robust variables and snippets. System discovery. Red Hat Satellite makes it possible for discovery and searching for rapid deployment across non-provisioned hosts even in environments where Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol (DHCP) and PXE are not available. 4. Configuration. Remote execution. Red Hat Satellite streamlines workflows and empowers users to execute multiple actions on groups of systems, such as initiating system reboots, following patch installations, and performing rolling upgrades across extensive sets of systems. Red Hat Insights integration. Red Hat Insight applies advanced analytics to help detect risks, allows the creation of an insights plan to remediate the risks, and helps run Ansible playbooks all through the same satellite interface. Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform Integration. With this integration, users are granted with remote execution, chosen state management, and automation of configuration management. 5. Subscription management. Subscription management enables users to import and manage the distribution of Red Hat software subscriptions. Built-in reporting engine allows users to generate reports and map acquired products with registered systems within Red Hat Satellite for end-to-end subscription usage visibility. The key stages in Red Hat Satellite architecture are: 1. Red Hat Satellite Server. Red Hat Satellite Server allows users to plan and manage the content lifecycle and the configuration of Capsule servers and hosts through GUI, CLI, or API. The satellite server organizes the lifecycle management by using organizations as principal division units, enabling the organization to isolate content for groups of hosts with specific requirements and administration tasks. Satellite server also contains a fine-grained authentication system to provide satellite operators with permissions to access precisely the parts of the infrastructure that lie in their area of responsibility. 2. Red Hat Satellite Capsule Server. Red Hat Satellite Capsule Server facilitates content federation and distribution, in addition to other localized services which include Puppet Master, DHCP, Domain Name System, DNS, and Trivial File Transfer Protocol, TFTP. Satellite Capsule Server enables you to easily scale Red Hat Satellite as the number of managed systems increases in your environment. It also connects with Red Hat Satellite Server to enable localized systems management, including federated services and provisioning. In summary, Red Hat Satellite is a comprehensive system management solution that simplifies infrastructure management. Red Hat Satellite can manage your entire infrastructure, not just Red Hat Enterprise Linux systems, from a single console. Implement your standard operating environment. Red Hat Satellite improves system consistency, reduce errors, and meet compliance standards. Scale your environment. Red Hat Satellite meets the demand for managing thousands of distributed systems across multiple data centers. We have now reached the Q&A session. Here are several frequently asked questions about Red Hat Satellite. Question 1. What is Red Hat Satellite Capsule Server? Red Hat Satellite Capsule Server replaces Red Hat Satellite Proxy Server. It is a model that extends the management of Red Hat Satellite Server to remote data centers by focusing on providing a local repository of certified content for Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Question 2. Can Red Hat Satellite Server manage virtual instances of Red Hat Enterprise Linux? Red Hat Satellite Server can manage any system running Red Hat Enterprise Linux on any supported hypervisor, including Red Hat Virtualization and VMware. To do this, each Red Hat Enterprise Linux system managed by Red Hat Satellite Server must have the necessary smart management entitlement. Question 3. How is security enhanced between Red Hat Satellite Server and its managed nodes? From a features perspective, Red Hat Satellite Server lets administrators implement a full audit trail of all activities taken through Red Hat Satellite Server and assign policies and permissions for simple role-based administration. Thank you for joining and listening to our presentation. For inquiries, feel free to email us at info@espincorp.com or visit our website. Thank you again.